this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can head over to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount on one of these. Yeah, these are really neat subscription boxes, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, cool. Alright, so the first thing you'll see when you crack open one of these boxes is this informative pamphlet. And indeed, this is the October 2021 Umai crate. And inside, you're going to find information, images, and facts about everything that comes in this box. Now, if you don't know how to read Japanese or decipher the instructions on the packaging and don't know how to tell what's in each product, you're going to be in trouble if you lose this, so don't lose this, okay? You also get a recipe card, something about a giveaway, and a mysterious coupon to use over at Sugoi Mart. Alright, so I'm going to go through this box and let you know everything that's inside it. First off, from Marutai, we have crunchy salad noodles, and this is known as Sara Udon or Sara Udon. Basically what you do is you put the noodles down, you put the sauce on it, and they're crunchy, but as you eat, they get soft. It's kind of an interesting concept with an interesting texture going on. So, cool. This is good stuff. And next, from Itsuki, we have a small soy sauce Newman. So Newman is just a different style of noodle. It's not udon. These are going to be fresh noodle, and it's a good brand, so it should be good. Next up from Ace Cook, we have Maru Uma Curry Udon. And this, I don't know what the range these cups are in, but they're generally really quite good and kind of spendy, so this is a score. And then from Yamamoto, we have their Tanuki Super Spicy Noodle. Yeah, this, I believe I've had this. If not, I'll do a mukbang and everything for it. But this is that Yamamoto flour milling company, and their stuff is generally good in this Tanuki's Father range. Now, I believe the brand for this is Igarashi. This is a shoyu ramen. The noodles are non-fried and exceptionally good, and the broths tend to be quite good with these. So I'm looking forward to give this a try. And this is a classic Itomen variety. This is an onion noodle. It's got a nice onion taste to it. Pretty decent instant noodle. They throw this one in every once in a while, and it's a good one, so enjoy. So this is interesting. This one's from Michio Kawamura's Kenko Foods, and it is a Shio ramen. And from the same range, they've also included the miso version. Michio Kawamura is a radio host that does stuff all about natural foods and whatnot, and so that's why he's right there. And yeah, should be really good. And finally, we have some garnish. This is some miso furikake. So this is something that's really good to throw on rice, on your ramen. You could put it in popcorn, I guess, if you wanted. But yeah, furikake generally has like sesame seeds, a little seaweed, some seasonings. Yeah, good stuff. Alright, so in this, the October 2021 Umai crate, you get furikake, miso ramen, shio ramen, onion ramen, shoyu Newman, shoyu ramen, spicy ramen, Sara Udon, a curry cup, a promo card, a recipe card, and an informative brochure. Alright, well thank you very much to the folks over at Japan Crates for sending this Umai crate over. If you want to get one, head on over to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, and get yourself a discount. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.